Power Automate is all about making your life easier, so take advantage of the pre-made templates to simplify the setup process. Click Templates to see what's available. Narrow things down to view flows that are featured, approval-based, shared with you, and more. You can also sort each category by popularity, name, or publication date. Have something specific in mind? Make sure you have all flows selected, then search for a keyword or phrase. For each template, check out a description of what the flow does and which apps it works with. Select an option to start setting things up. Check out the detailed description in apps or services you'll need to grant access to. If this looks like the right fit, hit Continue. From there, fill in all the details specific to your use case, making sure to save your changes as you go. With so many templates to choose from, you'll have all your workflows automated in no time.